Men love to cook. Plus, once they've done the cooking, they don't want to clean the kitchen. I know why.
No, that's not true. That's not true.
Let me call up your wife.
No, you can call her up. But the thing is कि I love to clean the place where I'm cooking. अब वो नीचे का गिरा हुआ वो तो यार फिर अब झाड़ू पोछे तो फिर वो नहीं होंगे ना. तो इसलिए जब बन गया जो बाकी बचा वो साइड से नीचे यूं कर.
Typical Indian man, हाँ? जैसे जैसे हम बातें कर रहे हैं वैसे वैसे हमारा काम भी आगे बढ़ रहा है. So what I'm doing right now is I've chopped some onions, I've chopped some ginger.
Okay. Can I do it from there?
ठीक है, आप ये चॉप करिए and I'll get the mutton.
Okay.
Easy. All right जी, गब्बर जी.
Yes sir.
Sorry, Babbar ji.
No problems. I'm known as, because my name is Gautam Babbar, and usually in the industry I'm known as G Babbar. So it comes out to be Gabbar.
Gabbar. Ginger डाल दीजिए. Add the onions as well. Now we're gonna chop some green chili. You like spicy?
Yeah. कभी कभार खाते हुए जब ये हरी मिर्च मुंह में आती है ना तो वो जो धुएं निकलते हैं वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही निकल जाते हैं.
सर मेरे ख्याल सर आप एक दो का धुआं और निकाल दो.
दीजिए आप करिए. जो फास्टर.
All right, now I'm gonna smash and chop some garlic. All right, we've got some coriander seeds and we've got some cumin, jeera. Equal quantities. Just gonna pound them. There. Put this pounded masala in, all of it. I'm adding some red chili powder. Gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some kasuri methi. Now we'll add some red chili flakes. ये जो चिली फ्लेक्स है, they'll give that extra punch.
I know. एक भी मुंह में आ गया तो बस.
All right, can you hand me over some mint and coriander?
Sure. Okay, thanks.
Okay, we'll add some mint to this, just roughly chopped. Some coriander.
Sure.
Yeah.
So this is almost like me going for one of my rallies, where all of us get together in the middle of the night, open flame. Whatever you can lay your hands on, कभी चिकन मिल गया, कभी मिन्स मटन मिल गया, कभी रिवर बेड के पास में है तो मच्छी मिल गई. जो हाथ में आया, नमक आया, हल्दी आई, तेल आया, कढ़ाई में डाला, बना लिया. But of course, this is going to taste much better, I'm sure.
It's going to be fabulous. चलिए अब समय आ गया थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर हाथ की सफाई दिखाने का.
Okay.
हल्का सा मैंने हाथ गीला किया है.
Okay.
उसके बाद इसको बस मसल कर सारे मसाले मिला दिए. Alright, so now just adding spoon of ghee. You can use oil as well.
Do you cook for your mother as well?
Yeah, sometimes. I mean, if she allows me to.
And तब चित्रोल नहीं पड़ती है ऐसे की कर रहे हैं. What is this? You don't know how to do. You don't know how to do it. Huh?
She says, रहने दो. तुम लोगों ने करना है और ये चाहिए तेरे को वो चाहिए ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट वैसा पता नहीं क्या तूफान बनाएगा. She generally doesn't approve of me in the kitchen.
Really?
Yeah, no. She's like, get out. होटल में करके आओ. So I think we'll allow them to cook in peace.
Okay.
And we'll quickly move on to making our churi, which is yogurt. Lots of chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped green chili, chopped coriander, namak, kala namak, or bhuna huआ जीरा. That's it.
So it's more of a mixed vegetable raita.
It is, but in a thicker form. It's called churi in Hyderabad.
Great. You want me to toss those kebabs for you?
Yeah, if you can turn them over, that'll be great. Some green chili. Green chilies. What's left is some coriander. We're gonna add some salt. We're gonna add some bhuna jeera. I'm adding some kala namak.
Okay.
All you need to do is now mix it. All right, this is done. Can you hand me over the
Sure.
platter? कबाब देखते ही ना एक फेस पे स्माइल सी आ जाती है।
शायद आपको खाने को मिलने वाला नहीं है आपको।
कोई लीजिए, आपके लिए बनाया मैंने। And we'll just put churi into a smaller bowl.
That adds color to it, huh?
Nice little sprigs of coriander.